Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today we have something very exciting new product, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. In this video, I am going to unboxing of this phone and I will let you know everything about this phone like specification, build quality, hardware performance, camera quality and battery performance. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here you can see the box of Max Pro M2. Packaging looks pretty and very interesting. And here we have some details mentioned in the backside. Snapdragon 660 processor, max performance, max battery, that is 5000 mAh battery. Apart from this phone has so many features, but I will tell you later. Let's unbox it first. So here you can see we have smaller package which contains user manual, warranty information. You will get SIM ejector pin also. Then you will get transparent back cover. So now we have the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 smartphone. Here you can see some highlights on the phone. We'll talk more about this phone later, but first let's check out other things inside the box. So this is micro USB to USB charging cable and you get a charging adapter. Let me show you the output rating of this charging adapter. So it has a 2 ampere 5 volt, so this is an 10 watt adapter. So guys, this is the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 smartphone. If we talk about the design and build quality, this phone has 6.26 inch notch display design in the front side. If you see the back side, you will find the 3D curved glossy design cover. It looks like glass, but it's not a glass, it's a just plastic. Design of the back side looks interesting. On the bottom side you can see charging port, 3.5mm audio jack. Right side you can see power button, and on the top side you can see secondary mic for voice cancellation, and left side you can see the SIM card tray. So both SIM card is dual VoLTE support and dedicated memory card slots, so that's a good thing. So after having the huge display size and massive 5000 mAh battery, it doesn't feel heavy at all. So let's talk about the display quality. This phone has 6.26 inch Full HD display and you will get Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. So that's a good thing because you are getting this best feature in this price segment. So if you talk about the storage, memory and Android version, this phone has 8.1 Android version and we have 64GB 4GB variant. So now let's talk about the camera quality. So you get the 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel rear camera. You can see the UI of the camera on the display. Here I have clicked some sample shots you can see in this video. You can see the picture quality and depth effects seems pretty well. So anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Till the time, take care. Bye bye.